As of August 2025, you can now use your SNAP EBT card on DoorDash in all 50 states and Washington, D.C. This nationwide expansion makes grocery delivery accessible to millions of SNAP recipients. To be eligible, you need three things: a valid SNAP EBT card from any U.S. state, a DoorDash account in good standing, and access to participating grocery stores through the app. You can use your EBT card to purchase SNAP-eligible items, including groceries from stores like Safeway and Albertsons, convenience store items from 7-Eleven, wholesale club items from Costco, and specialty foods intended for home preparation. However, there are important restrictions. You cannot use your EBT card for restaurant orders, prepared hot foods, alcohol, tobacco, non-food items, or any tips, delivery fees, and service charges. In summary, DoorDash EBT integration is now available nationwide for grocery delivery from participating stores. Remember that only SNAP-eligible food items can be purchased, and all fees must be paid separately with another payment method. First, ensure your DoorDash app is updated to version 15.0 or higher. This is required for EBT card functionality. Next, complete the identity verification process within the app. This is a one-time security requirement. Navigate to payment methods in your app settings, then select Add EBT card. You'll need to enter your 16-digit card number and PIN. After entering your card details, verify your card through SMS or email confirmation. This ensures your card is properly linked to your account. Enable location services to help DoorDash find EBT accepting stores near you. This ensures you can see all available options in your area. It's recommended to place a small test order first to confirm everything is working correctly. This helps ensure a smooth experience for larger orders. Important: tips and delivery fees must be paid separately using another payment method like a debit card or credit card. EBT only covers eligible food items. Remember these key steps: update your app, verify your identity, add your EBT card, enable location services, test with a small order, and have another payment method ready for tips and fees.